Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick update on a couple of new parts and a couple of changes to the fox body. Um, anyway, I had ordered from VRS Exhaust. Heard some good reviews online, but I wanted to put catalytic converters to be legal here in California, and they offer a 3-inch Xpipe for BBK headers with the catalytic converters, and I had them put an extra bung in for the O2 sensor. So anyway, I did all that, but first they shipped me this. It was a website error. They just sent me the off-road Xpipe, which it looks nice. I wouldn't have any problems running this if I didn't want the catalytic converters. So and they put they'll weld an extra bung in there to you for 20 bucks. So anyway, I just had them do it. Saved me the hassle, and their welding is a lot better than mine. But anyway, they said, hey, sorry for the mix-up. We'll go ahead and we'll upgrade you to the stainless steel, which I don't know if that's really stainless steel or not. It doesn't really look any different to me. But anyway, we'll throw that in the mail, and we'll put a return label and send that one back. So they got it out, within the next week. This comes already from Florida, and I'm in California, so it's not going to be overnight or nothing. But anyway, so this is what the VRS Exhaust 3-inch Xpipe is, and obviously you get to see there's an off-road and the catted. Obviously those look like some high flow cats there. And I did measure the openings here. These are a full 2.85, so pretty decent. So anyway, that's going on. And then for the BBKs, I went ahead and I'm going to upgrade to the ceramic coated headers. So I got these same ones I have on there now. These are the BBK long tubes, but with the ceramic coating. So that will go to that. I've got some 3-inch mufflers, the straight through design, just like these. These are the 2.5s, but these are the MagnaFlow knockoff types. So I got those guys coming, and that will go there. And then we have, I found these on Craigslist locally from a guy that does a lot of, or used to do a lot of fox body stuff, but was clearing out his garage. But some 3-inch Dr. Gas mandrel bent flow tubes. So obviously, these guys aren't around anymore. These are kind of hard to come by, but so all that should go together pretty nicely. Boom, here to there, to the 3-inch mufflers. We got catalytic converters and a bung for the O2 sensor, ceramic coated headers. Of course, I'm going to open up these collectors a little bit. And I think I'm just going to get one of those, what seemed to work pretty good was a tailpipe expander. And I'll open that up a little bit. Those are 2.45 on the stock BBK. With the, these are 1.75 inches. And those go to 2.45, so try to at least get those opened up to 2.25 with a little bit of grinding. I'll grind out the lip a little bit, and obviously clean up any of the welds like I did on my last set, and then I'll put the expander in there and open that up a little bit. So anyway, that's what's in the works. I'm waiting for the mufflers to get here. The catted Xpipe just arrived today. This was last week, so I'm not going to take that off because they do want me to send it back. But they said I can't find the return label, so I'll have to email them for that. Maybe they can just email it to me. And I did get the, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did get the line lock installed. Got the brakes bled pretty good. Went out and tested it, and it works pretty good. Next is I've got this the Pertronics. I'm going to install that this weekend. The digital HP, so I'll have a 2-step. Obviously, the cool thing with that box is it's a multi-spark like MSD. It is actually has 3 steps. I can set a limiter for a burnout, an over rev, your upper end, which I'll probably set to like 6,500, and then a launch RPM. So you have 3 different limiters to set. It's multi-spark all the way to 7,000 RPM. and it's a lot smaller than MSD. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to mount it right here so I can get to all the controls, and obviously the wiring will be nice and easy. And I'm going to mount it right on the this battery case, because it's small enough to do that. If I can find where I set the dang thing, I'll show you. So here's the box for it. Yeah, so this is quite a bit smaller than an MSD box, which, you know, I had the Street Fire one before. I actually mounted it inside the fender well. But this one, you know, you have all your controls right here, so I'm more than likely just gonna do that bad boy right there so I can get to everything. And then you got your harness right there, which all the connections will be made right in here. That'll work out pretty good. So I was thinking there, or I was thinking up here, but again, you know, getting a little screwdriver in here, I imagine something will be in the way unless I use some standoffs or something. But you know, I'm okay with putting it right there. That's fine with me. It's a very small box. I'll just maybe center it right in the with the battery thing. So anyway, that's the plan for the weekend. And then we'll I'm on vacation next week, so I won't be going to the track. And we've had a lot of wildfires out here, so the air was real smoky. I didn't go last night because it was hurting. My eyes were burning from the smoke, and you know, I didn't have anybody to go with me, and I'd rather just get this thing set up. I've been working on getting myself more up to speed with the Motes quarter horse, working with the binary editor, and actually getting data logs so I can send over to the tuner and just see if we can get some more power out of this thing. But anyway, that's the update. And these will be going on, you know, in a couple weeks. I'm still, again, waiting for the mufflers. And then I don't know if I want to, got my 2.5-inch tailpipes, you know. I might just go ahead. I'll see how it sounds with the mufflers and some turn downs. And if it's still pretty loud, I might just neck it down to the 2.5-inch for the tailpipes, because 3-inch tailpipes I think would be kind of hard to not rub on the back. And I don't think I'll lose much power just necking down after the mufflers to 2.5-inch tailpipes. So I know those fit halfway decent. They might need to be trimmed a little bit, but that would be the easiest way to have full exhaust on this thing, where it's not so obnoxiously race car loud, that I can actually enjoy it on the street more. You know, take it around in the evenings, that kind of stuff. So that's the plan. And thanks, everybody.